You ready for this? Brand spanky new. And did they pay for the name? They did not. It's an Odyssey, as you can tell, if you own one of these. So the link will be in the description of all these bulbs, and I already started back here because I was nice and cozy. So made it easy for me, but you can go in the back seat, but I don't feel like taking everything out. They're all the same. That one, over there, see them? And that one over my head. These four are, let's pull these guys out. These are probably 921s like they always are, or whatever the hell these things are. You can never tell with these things. It doesn't even say. It says 12 volts, 5 watts, Kelly. I don't know what's up with Kelly, but she didn't tell me what it is. But they're all the same. Put them back in, and let me show you how I took this out. Now, this puppy is not so hard, but it's not so easy either. But see how I put it in? Make sure it snaps in. Like on the right side. Not the wrong side. There you go. That's why. Hey, look, there you go. Come on, get back in there. Alright, camera pause. Alright, so with some tight playing around, it does come out. So, let me show you what I used, because link is always in the description. You ready for this? Here you go. We're gonna go right here. Show how I took it out. Right there. You pry this guy out. Come on. Now it doesn't want to play. You see, it's coming out. I only got one arm. To prove to you I wasn't crazy. That's how it comes out. You see? And the same thing on the other side. You see? This puppy pops out. All four of them are the same. So let's do this one. This is the typical Honda. All the same. Same thing over here. I'm going to go in between the crack and pull this puppy out. So let's see. See? It releases. See him on the other side. Carefully, Wesley. Pull this puppy out. You see? Same thing. This is Kelly 12 volt, 5 watts. Does this actually say something on it? No way. No way. I think it does. 2J6. I gotta get better at these. W5W. See, Amazon loves giving you generic ones, but we will put the link in the description as usual, and we will go on and show you how to put these guys back up. Pretty much snaps into place. See? Right, yeah. Now, let's go all the way into the back. I'll show you that one in the cargo. See this one? Again, right between the crack. Right between the cracking. See what's coming out? And this puppy is the usual, I don't know, but of course they put a different one in as per usual. Let's see if we can get a good angle on this one. Nope. This way, this way. Well, they don't mark them, but they just like expect you to know what it is. Hey, look, it's Kelly again. All right, yeah. Kelly Blue Odyssey. Pop this guy back up. Pop this guy back in. And this is just pretty much pop in. Now, let's see if we can do license plate lights. Is there anything else back here? Nope. We got that one. Like I said, same as that one. They're all the same. Put it in between the crack. Alright, just to make sure this is right, before we wrap it up, I'm going to take this one out. See if it's the same one. You see how it comes right out? Same as that one. So let's get this guy out. Make sure it's the right one. Come on. A little tricky with one arm, huh? Come on, puppy. Look, we accidentally hit the flash on. It is the same one. So there you go. He's a little tricky. I don't like him. I think you got to put the front in first. Sort of snap everything all together. You see? Kind of a pain in the butt. Because you got 4 points you got to line up. turn the flash off, and get this puppy in. You see? You sort of have to weasel and pry. It's a pain. Let's make sure this thing's lined up. Alright, listen for the snap. And if you do have a little tiny mark, these plastics are perfect for just using your fingertips. And that's it. Yes, get a plastic piece. I had one over here. They gave it to me. I don't know where it is. But I love this thing because it makes it so much easier. The other plastic breaks. But you see, you're good. I don't have the light switch on, so don't worry about it. So, there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.